Hello everyone, my name is Ashley Yeoman, and for my quiz tool I decided to use Kahoot since I have used this tool in previous classes to study and found it very beneficial. Kahoot is an educational and fun game to help you review material that you have been learning. One of my objectives was when children saw various videos and pictures that they would be able to identify the animal with the picture 90% of the time. So Kahoot, as you can see, there's many aspects to this website and tool, and we have Discover. So if you are looking for a specific category, you can play one that's already been created by other people. Next, we have Kahoot. So this shows Kahoots that you have created, which I created the sea animals. You can also create one, which I won't since just for the purpose of the video, but you can hit create and you can make up your own Kahoot game to share with your students or with other friends. And finally, we have the reports section, which is where it shows how many players have been involved in your game and when they played the game. So now I will log into my Kahoot that I've created, and I will show you how this game works. So as you can see here, there's two ways to play Kahoot. You can do player versus player, which is one-to-one devices. So you can do this using your phone or your tablet. And then we also have the team-to-team mode, so you can pair up in teams and play that way as well. But for the purposes of this video, I will do the classic since I'm only playing against myself. And then it will ask you to enter the code, and you can go ahead and do that on your phone. Then it'll ask you to create a nickname on your phone. You can do that, or you can just put in your own name, however you'd like to go about that. And then you see my name pops up on the screen, and I'm going to hit start. And then it will pop up with a number of questions and what my topic's about. So here you have the question shown, and then you have to pick the correct answer. So as you can see here, this shows the number of people that chose each response, and then you have the options here. And then you also have a time limit here, so this shows how many players are paying attention and participating in your game. And I'll also give you a score afterwards to see how you're progressing. So as you can see, this is just a little example of how to play Kahoot. I hope in watching this video that you learned how beneficial this game is, and I hope someday you decide to use it too as your quiz tool. Thanks.